Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One Meal a Day Modified. Everything is going awesomely. The only thing that could improve is I can't get outside as much as I want. We had another, I want to say 3 inches of wintry icy mix that hit the ground on top of the approximately 8 inches of snow that we got. So it's been hot inside, get it? Hot pepper, but cold outside. Get it? Cold salad. Yay! Well, I have another challenge. This is going to be a salad challenge. Yes, I know it's winter, but there's no time like the presents for salad. The only thing is, here in New England, obviously we're not getting the freshest produce because it is literally Arctic winter here. But regardless, I felt like this was a good challenge to do off season and to show that you can do it successfully. And if you choose your fruit and veg, well, then you can actually find, stuff that's pretty decent to make a really good salad. So I'm using a pretty wide bowl. This bowl is probably 7 inches across or in diameter and about, I would say, 4 inches tall, 3.5 maybe. So I already have all of my veg in the bowl, and in there I have 3 different types of lettuces. I just kind of was like, what's fresh, and grabbing everything. And yes, I even put a little bit of cabbage in there because we have some left over. Some spinach that we had left over. I just ripped up, threw that in there. We had some carrots that were already julienned. I wasn't sure what to use them for, so hey, I threw those in there too. And I have ground turkey as my protein. And I just used a variety of spices as well as a shallot. I just put 1 in there because I didn't want it to be too oniony. I also used some fresh parsley that we had, but I'm going to probably top this with some dried parsley as well. I just love parsley and I think it makes everything so much fresher. I'm putting in approximately a cup of this ground turkey. And the way I made this is I basically added a little olive oil to this, mixed everything together and put it in the oven, and I just sort of forked it so that, it would be separated. And that's basically it. It cooked for, I want to say, like 20 minutes, half an hour max. But what I did is 15 minutes through the cooking process, I sort of stirred everything up again. Then I let it continue cooking. So you know how I love my black sesame seed. I'm adding some of that to my salad as well. Gotta get sesamied. And so, yeah, what I plan on doing is just, whatever I can find that's in the house that's left over, as well as anything fresh I can add to the salad. I'm going to be doing that. We have these leftover Chinese cracker things that my husband had. I'm adding some of those along with some almonds. I just kind of crushed it all up in the bag just so that it was easier for this video. And I pre-measured out about 3 tablespoons of salad dressing. So I'm adding that. I won't put all of it, but save some just in case I need it later. And then I'll just top that, as I said, with some dried parsley as well. And that's it. This is what I'm going to be eating today. This is my one meal. Okay, that's not true. My modification is earlier I had a bowl of mixed fruits. So my one main meal is this, but I also did have a bowl of fruit earlier. So between that, and it was not a large bowl, it was like, I would say a cereal, smaller than a regular normal size cereal bowl. So not one of those giant swimming pool bowls like the salad bowl is. And oh yeah, then of course, add a little spice to it. There you go. That's what I'm having today, and already had my fruit, so I will, take as long as I need to eat this and try to enjoy and savor it. So hopefully you're going to get in on this challenge with me. Like I said, the salad should be relatively healthy. So if you're eating a taco salad from, I think Wendy's sells that, that's not a healthy salad at all. As a matter of fact, that's just junk food. But if you're eating like a grilled chicken salad with a low-fat dressing, that counts. That's a good thing. So, whatever salad combos you want, I'll be showing you some of the combos that I do over the next 5 days. I might not show you every salad combination because I am pretty sure, like for example, this salad, I have enough to have the same exact salad tomorrow. So I won't show you repeat salads. So thank you for joining me. Let's see what we can do with this 5-day salad challenge. And also make sure you're still getting in a little bit of exercise just for fitness and heart health's sake. And remember that health is wealth. Give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up.